The world of infrastructure demands efficient cable management to keep going and growing. Introducing CableMaster Trays, your solution for every cable management need. Our FRP trays are lightweight, making them easier and faster to install than traditional materials. Say goodbye to the hassle of heavy lifting and complex installations. Built for durability, CableMaster Trays resist degradation and corrosion, offering zero maintenance and unmatched longevity, far beyond traditional materials. Easy to install, built to last. CableMaster Trays are the smart choice for your next project.